Hey guys, we're about to go ahead and head out to the beach today. It's like 80 something degrees today out here in Miami. We're gonna have so much fun. First time we're gonna take him to the beach. He's sleeping. He's always sleeping.
Hey Poppy.
Hey baby.
It's your first time going to the beach today, Poppy.
He likes the sun. He loves the sun. He's like his dad. We'll see you guys at the beach. Look, he's smiling. He's smiling. He's smiling.
Oh, he's smiling.
Yeah.
Guys, guess where we are? We just saw. I forgot her name.
Wow!
Sponsor me!
Wow! She don't even know who's the owner of that. Wow!
Kim Kardashian.
Wow!
Sponsor me.
Wow! She's starting clout.
Jerry.
Yo, Paul Logan's son.
I thought it's not Paul Logan, it's Logan Paul.
Jake Paul. What up, Logan son?
Is it in the other vlogs you say Jake? Is it Jake or Logan Paul?
Both.
Oh.
Both.
Jordan.
He has two dads.
That's Jake.
Oh, Justine is starting clout with Kim Kardashian.
Yeah, I want beef. I want beef. I serve beef. I don't care if you're vegan. I serve beef.
Oh, she took shots at vegans. Wow.
No,
she took shots
you're
at
vegan.
vegans. She's losing all the fans. Like in every video, the other one she was racist. She was
No,
like,
I wasn't.
he was like, we'll be black with more videos.
Don't joke about that.
Bro, you're the racist,
Shut
bro.
up.
Now you're.
You have to edit that
Now
out.
you're
You
not.
can't joke about that one.
Now you're taking shots at vegans. Like really? I'm giving my fans raw what happened.
All love.
I don't cut stuff. Whatever you say goes. So you just gotta learn how to talk and be real.
Shut up, Jordan. We'll see you guys again. We'll see you guys.
I'm not cutting that either. I'm not cutting that.
Yes, you are.
I'm not cutting that.
We'll see you guys at the beach.
I'm gonna put that in slow motion like 5 times. Bleh, bleh.
We'll see you guys again.
We're here at CVS buying potato chips for the beach. What's up? What do you tell your fans? Wow, boring. This guy is gonna get no likes. So we are here on the strip. Let them know what's
We gotta go
up.
the other way. The lighting, buddy. So this staircase. Show them the staircase. This staircase right here is. You want to explain it? I don't know
Okay,
what the
so-
movie is.
Wow.
The movie.
Alright, so this is the staircase they used in the Scarface movie.
Yeah, there's a plaque. Switch it around.
Go up the staircase.
You can.
Bro, you can do whatever you want. Look at it right there. This is the actual staircase that was used in the filming of the 1983 classic movie Scarface, starring Al Pacino.
Next to the CVS.
Oh! Alright, so show us the Miami life.
Okay, so welcome to Miami. This is on spring break. Are you ready for the party? So here we are at National Miami Beach. This is where all the teens get turned.
Oh! Turned!
Don't wake him up. Oh,
Elijah is here at CVS. Elijah is here at CVS. Elijah is here at CVS. Hola, papi. You're tired?
Let him
Justine
sleep.
woke you up?
Shut up. Let him sleep.
I'm asleep. Bye, papi. How can you do that to a child?
What? Okay, you want to see him? Look, you woke him up. This is not letting me eat it. It's not letting me eat it. The same one that I have.
Here, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. You know what? You ain't nothing, Justine. You no eres nada, bro.
I am something.
Yeah, you're an evil witch with an evil apple that's gonna put Snow White to sleep. So we're here on the strip. What are you eating? Eating some Cheetos. Hello.
Hi.
Justine Marie. Justine, ew, you dirty hands, don't touch me.
Shut up. You're dirty.
Bro, you're dirty every day of the week.
You're dirty throughout your whole life.
You're dirty from Monday to Sunday. Dirty people don't know that they're dirty. It's just like a pig. Pigs don't know that pigs stink.
Pigs do know that they're stink.
Only you.
Yo, shut up.
No bathroom. No. 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 No bathroom. We're going to the Versace mansion. Versace, Versace, Versace. Jared wants to take a picture with the Lambo. Oh, you're such a badass. Alright, so we are here at the Versace mansion. The Versace mansion. Elijah, you're at the Versace mansion. Hola, papi. So we made it to the beach. We made it to the beach. Ooh. And I gotta cover Elijah over here because the sun is too strong.
Hey,
First time in the beach.
he just farted.
Papi, you farted?
Look at him, he's smiling.
And you're smiling, Papi?
Yeah, I like it, Papa. I like it. I like it. I like the sun. I like the water. I love it. Yeah.
Mr. Elijah. 7 weeks old.
You don't grow up so fast. Take your time. I love you like this. Say hi, everybody. I know. I know. He seriously loves this weather. I'm so happy we moved.
Hola, Papi.
I know. Ay, qué lindo.
Yeah. Gym tan laundry.
I'm not, okay. I could do this.
Not so close.
Not so close.
Oh,
What are you doing?
look, it's another pigeon. They're following you, Jordan.
Oh, they came from New York with Justine.
They came from the Bronx with you.
Oh.
Ah, yeah, shut up.
You hear this, guys?
Shut up.
She already did a racist comment.
What are you talking
She
about?
said something earlier, and then now she's talking about the Bronx. Like, she's gonna end up with no followers.
South Beach Live.
No.
Paola.
Woo!
You scare me! Crab. Oh, crab. Ew. Mommy! No way, I can't see. Ah!
Really?
Are you afraid of it?
No, I hate that.
You don't want SpongeBob?
You look like you're having fun. Let's bury him. I'll take all his money. Oh, don't put it in his face. Give him his face. Give it with his face. You're so mean. Oh my god. You have mad sand in your ears. Let me take it out. Hold on.
Stop moving your feet.
I'm not moving my feet.
Yes, you are. It's okay, you'll make it, buddy. Look at his boobs. Yo. Look. He came out the hole.
He went running out.
Freaking birds came out of nowhere.
Oops.
Anyway, zombie going back to the
You're a goat. You're hot. Are the birds were cooking?
For you, Joy.
Jordan, I got you.
Come on, Birdie, come and get it.
Yo, they're unreal. Have fun, buddy. Don't get up.
Go ahead, take one off.
You have sand right there. He looks like a prank. Stop moving! Yo, it looks like a little boy.
Oh, shoot!
I am sorry. You look like a crane. Ow. Oh my god! Damn, that feels weird.
I'm gonna draw little boobs on him now.
Ew! No! Look at his feet. Yo, Jake Paul, come get your.
Come get your little girl.
You forgot you had a daughter.
Me. I'm already buried. You can't even move my feet or my legs.
You guys are destroying my mask.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Yo, stop.
I don't even know where your feet are.
Oh my god. Stop.
Why?
Stop. Stop.
I didn't hit him hard. I looked at that.
Okay, we're going.
Look at his body. Twins. Ready? Do the dance again.
Ready?
First time, puppy.
He's like, ah!
I feel so bad. Oh, look at him, look at him. It's okay, Delilah. Congratulations. That's it, Papi.
You're
okay.
He's shaking.
Oh, no,
First
that's
time, puppy in
temblando.
the water.
He liked it. Look at me, I'm here like mascot.
Jordan.
Over here dying, like no. Did make the 8, Paola? The 7. Every time you want to get on your butter.
Hi, puppy. He liked it.
You like it? Look at his face, look at his face. You like it, puppy?
Look, he went right to sleep. It's okay, puppy. You had fun today, puppy? It was your first time at the beach, puppy. I hope you had fun. I love you so much, puppy. Hello. Puppy. I love you so much. Alright guys, so that was today's video. Elijah's first day at the beach and getting into the water. He did a great job. We're here with Justine. She came from New York.
He's staring right at the camera, look at him.
He's staring right at the camera. Say hello.
Hi everybody.
Alright guys, so we're closing out this video. Thank you for watching. Oh, look who's here. Anyways guys, so make... Oh! Somebody sneezed. Alright guys, so be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Put those notifications on. Make sure to comment.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of our family. See you in the next video. Peace.